Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Garageband open and your audio routed. Start now by selecting the track you want to retune. If it's audio, enable Flex Pitch in the track editor so Garageband analyzes pitch. If it's a software instrument, open Smart Controls and choose the plugin or transform settings. Once done, make sure your track is solid or audible so you can hear changes clearly. This first step prepares the file and tools so the tuning edits you make will be precise and track-specific. You'll now make the detailed pitch corrections. For audio, drag Flex Pitch Note markers up or down by cents to reach the desired pitch. For MIDI, transpose or edit individual notes in the piano roll. If you want an alternate concert pitch, change a equals 440 to a equals 432 by adjusting global tuning or detune the track by cents. Make small moves and use format controls to maintain natural vocal timbre. As you edit, play sections repeatedly so you hear cumulative effects, and finish by comparing the tuned version to the original using a /B bypass so you judge musicality, not just pitch accuracy. Once satisfied, bounce or export the track at full resolution. If you notice artifacts like warbling or robotic tone, undo the biggest shifts and apply smaller, iterative adjustments. Reduce pitch shift magnitude, tweak format settings, or re-record the part with a closer performance. If problems persist, check sample rate and latency settings. Fixing those often eliminates tuning artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.